Hello everybody, this is Lee Phillips, Journey of Truth. Today is Monday, July the 27th. It is 2:10 in the afternoon, and as you can see, we are here at Fuller Station where the work is going on the washout. And good news for everybody, asphalt is scheduled for in the morning, Tuesday the 28th, tomorrow. They will be laying down the asphalt, and today they have done a lot. They have brought in dirt and filled in. They have brought in the big rock. Let me see if I can zoom in over there. They've got the big rock in the ditch line over here, and they've got big rock on the embankment that goes around over on this side over here. And right now they are laying down the gravel bed for the asphalt. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come around the fence line on the retention pond, and we're going to get elevated so I can give y'all that good look. And once again, maybe we won't get runned off, but that's why I stay right next to the fence. Oh yeah, that's a lot better view for the rock that's going down. Let's zoom in right here. That's looking real good. They got that whole embankment side lined with rock right there. They got another truck up there ready to go to dump out some more of the small gravel. They dump it out, smooth it out, and then they take the roller machine over there, that, not the one with the teeth on it, but they have one that's just got a smooth drum, and that's so that they get a real good fine packed top surface. And so let's zoom back out here. I zoom back out because when you're walking and you're zoomed in, it makes the camera do funky stuff. So we don't want it to look too bad like it's jumping around. I think we'll go right here to this little bend in the fence right here. That's a pretty good view right here. So now you can see the culvert wall, and you can see all the gravel that they've got to keep water from washing. We'll watch this guy dump his load. Now it seems to me that he could have helped them spread that load by moving as he dumped. And truck drivers do that a whole lot to minimize on the time that it takes to spread that hill of gravel down. Because now the Bobcat has to move the whole entire hill where it could have just hit the little high points. But they got the way they do it. They getting it done. That's all I can say. They getting it done. They gonna have it ready for asphalt in the morning. But it looks to me for the transition, as high as the road is over here, and if you drew a straight line across to that other side, it looks to me like they are way low in elevation. Right where that dozer sits, it looks like they're gonna just transition down to where you're gonna be going downhill and going into the dip and then coming back up out of the dip on the other side. Now, if it happens to be like that, that might be by design, because in actuality, if you're going fast down the road and you get to this point right here, then your car is going to just drop out from under you as it goes into the low spot, so to say. Unless they're going to really build that up a lot more. Because the height of that dirt pile right there at the back side of that track, right there, that little pile that's right there, that's about the height of the road. And they're way below that with what they got their gravel base at. They are way below that grade. So they might be lowering the grade in that area so that they don't have to haul in any more asphalt, field dirt. Or maybe they're actually going to build that base up that much with the small pack gravel. So I guess I'll be coming down here in the morning. I don't know what time they got asphalt scheduled for. The gentleman just told me they were going to be putting asphalt down in the morning, so that'll be exciting to see. Alright folks, well that's going to do it for this update. I hope all y'all that see it out there that use this route will be happy to know. Now I know he said that they're going to be laying asphalt in the morning, but I don't know if that necessarily means that the road is going to be opening up. He didn't say anything about that, so let me be clear about that. I'm not saying the road will be open tomorrow. I am saying that the man told me that they were going to be laying down asphalt in the morning. There might still be other work that has to be done before that they can officially open it, so y'all don't be saying I said that it was going to be open tomorrow. All I know is that the man said the asphalt's going down in the morning. Alright, well, I'm going to quit rambling. Y'all remember, be safe out there. Be good to one another. do something kind for someone, and y'all have a blessed day. All right, folks, so I was up on the hill up there and I wasn't paying attention. There's another truck dumping out right here, but I'm gonna tell you, they have got more trucks lined up, ready to come down here and dump their gravel out. I thought I was ready to go, but I like watching trucks and all. I like watching machinery at work. Hey, if y'all are watching this far on the video, I'd like for y'all to do something. And no, it's not what you would normally hear me say. Although I would like for you to hit that like and subscribe, that's not what I want to ask you to do. if you're watching this video to this point, when you get done, I would like you to tell the next person that you lay your eyes on that you love them. Just keep it simple. Just when you make that eye contact, just tell them, I love you. And you can also hit that like and subscribe and ring that bell, because you never know when I'm gonna drop a video. I don't go through the normal processes of editing and all that, so a two-part video like this, I will join them together and have them to where the same topic and all is in the same video. Like what I'm doing right now is going to be joined to where I closed out my other one. So this goes out to all the people out there that like to watch machinery and things in action. It is a small inconvenience for these neighborhoods right here, but I think for the most part people understand it's a necessity, and I've not heard of anybody running into equipment or equipment running into anybody down here. So everything looks to be being done in a safe manner. Nothing to my eye that I can see that would cause me to call attention to anything. Thank goodness we didn't get heavy rains over the weekend that would have did erosion and washout, even though they packed it, because that saves a lot of time. If they would have had to go back and refill and repack because stuff got washed out because of a heavy rain and them not having the rock in and all that, that could have been a little bit bad. So this guy's got regular dirt, so they're putting a packed base barrier between the backfill and the upper fill, and I'm guessing that is for a water drain issue. This dirt looks different. Okay, they're gonna put this dirt on the edge. This is gonna build up the edge more. Okay. Oh, he's got his bed laying out. His truck is at an angle. His right side is down lower. don't tip over. You got to get the dirt out to keep it from tipping over to the right. Yeah, that's backfill for the edge, so the gravel has something to back up against as they backfill the gravel. If you look over on this side, they did that. Look at the gravel edge. Let me see here. Let's see where my focus is. Grass, tractor, gravel. Okay. The red dirt was higher than the gravel for a small embankment as they backfill the gravel. And that's what he's doing here. He's backfilling the edge, and then they'll backfill the gravel more to that edge. So they not only have gravel for backfill in those trucks, but they've got red dirt to keep building up on the edges. And there's another truck of red dirt fixing to come down through here. I'll have to bring my coffee with me in the morning when I come down. It'll be so early. So they are going to build that up to the proper height across through there. There's not going to be no dip off going down in there. All right, for all you folks out there that like heavy equipment operating, they got the Cat going, they got the Volvo over there rolling, packing it down now. They got another truck of red dirt ready to come in. Man on the Bobcat's keeping it rolling. So this time I am going to close it out. And we'll see what it looks like in the morning. All right, don't forget to get that I love you out there to the first person that you see. And we'll see y'all on tomorrow's video if I don't see something else happening on the way home. Y'all be blessed.